What is up, guys? My name is Thornork here, throwing it right back at you with another video. Today's tutorial is going to be an OBS tutorial on how to make commentator cams through Discord and putting them on your overlay. With this, because of the whole pandemic thing going on, you'll see on online tournaments how you'll see commentators and how are they doing that through online. So I'm going to give you guys a brief example how to do it. So first things first, you're going to go into OBS, which I already have on here. And the first thing you're going to do is drop an image, which I will show. I'll move it up to the top here. It's going to cover up my screen real quick. There. So you want to add your image. It doesn't have to be perfect because I know I can't do them perfectly. Now you're going to add your you can do this through window capture or your whole monitor. So we're going to move our oh, that's not the right one. No, move this to the top. I know you can't see it on my desktop, but so what we're going to do in this case is we're going to crop both or all three of us, technically all three of these squares, to fit them onto the display. So we'll start off with mine. So if you want to crop, you go to Alt and left click. As you can see, that's cropping pretty much like half of the screen. So do that until you get the appropriate length. That's right about down here. All right, so now, as you can see, this is just only my profile pic. How do we get the other commentators in? What you do is, I know you can't see it through my monitor, but you go to right click, go to copy, and then you go right click and paste a reference. So as you see, we're still on the same display, and now we uncrop the picture and we respace it. So I'm gonna probably delete myself here. I'll get rid of me right there, and I'll add shadow next. If I could do it. It's cropping in OBS. Cropping in OBS can be really hard. So, all right, we got Shadow's profile pic on the deck.
Hey.
And we're gonna move him just like this. Now,
how are you?
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
yeah, what's up?
Are you like streaming this?
No, I'm recording. I'm making a video on how to make commentator cams through OBS so that you guys can watch it.
All right. Sorry, I just ruined it.
No, you're not. I'm still going, but
okay, continue.
All right, last step, we want to paste reference again. So yeah, you'll see my profile pic again one more time, and we're going to uncrop my face. But oh no, that's rise up the picture. That's not what I want. So if you want to crop, it's Alt, left click. You see, and we're gonna delete my face out of the picture, and we're gonna go over to the other guys. I don't know how to pronounce your name through Discord. It's like BR3N.
Branponage.
Branponage. Okay. So we're gonna crop him, get his profile picture a nothing frame. Oh my gosh, so sometimes cropping can be a pain, but so we're gonna crop him enough to the appropriate size, because we don't want all that extra revenue like in the way of our photo. Oh my god, come on. Right click, crop. Okay. So I'm gonna crop to the appropriate size. Oh my lord. I have not had OBS mess me up like this before. There we go. Come on, dude, cooperate with me. There we go. So, and then last but not least, just fit him to the screen. You can readjust it or you can decorate it any way you want. Doesn't really matter. And And this is what it should look like in the end. All right, so I think I'll send that to one of you guys, or I'll upload it to my YouTube channel. That is how you make commentator cams. I'll even show you my face right there, because just in case if you were confused, like I did say commentator cams, and we're just only looking at people's profile pics, but that's the example. So there you go. That's how you make commentator cams in OBS. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.